Okay, welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be looking at converting recurring decimals to fractions. So what is recurring decimal? A recurring decimal is a decimal that repeats after a particular set of digits in a particular pattern. So once we say repeat, it means there is a pattern in which the decimal number goes. So let's give you an example of recurring decimal. For an example, 0.555 is a recurring decimal, and this dot 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 means it continues forever or it recurs. Another example could be 1.2555. So what you observe is that for the first one, after the 0 you have the 5 repeating, and then for this one you have 1.2, the 2 is not repeating, and then after the 2 you have the 5 repeating. So how do we convert decimal like these to fraction? 3.57777 and so on. How do we convert decimal like these to fraction? We're about to do one example, and then we'll give you some examples to do. So let's look at example number 1. Convert 0.222 repeating indefinitely to fraction. So we are told to convert 0.22222 to fraction. And the way you do this is to say let an unknown variable. So in this case, let x equals to the repeating fraction you are given, 0.222. For this case, let x equal to 0.222. And then after that, you identify how many digits are repeating in this case. So in this case, we see 0.22 repeating. So only 2 is repeating. That means there is 1 digit repeating. So if there are n digits repeating, we multiply the entire equation by 10 raised to the power n, where n stands for the number of repeating digits. So if there are 2 digits repeating, we will have multiplied this entire equation by 10 raised to the power 2, which is 100. But since we only have 1 digit repeating, we multiply the equation by 10 raised to the power 1, where n is 1. So we call this one equation 1. And then 10, we multiply that equation 1 by 10. 10 parentheses will be x is equal to 0.222. That's what we have. So if we multiply equation 1 by 10, what do we have? 10 times x is 10x is equal to 10 times 0.222 is 2.222. And then we call this one equation 2. So check that on the calculator. 10 times 0.22222 is 2.2222 and so on. So once you check that, have equation 1, you have equation 2. The next thing to do is to subtract. So you subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we have equation 1 minus equation 2. That means you have 10x is equal to 2.222 dot 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 minus equation 2 is this. So it's equation 2 minus equation 1. So equation 1 is x is equal to 0.222 dot dot dot. No draw a line here. So equation 2 minus equation 1, because of subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So what do we have? 10x minus x is 9x is equal to 2.2222 minus 0.2222. Just give you 2, because this entire equation is being affected by a negative. So the sum of x is given both sides by 9, and then we have x is equal to 2 over 9. Therefore, 0.222 is equal to 2 over 9. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope to meet you again anytime soon. Please subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.